Hi, I'm going to show you how to use tape diagrams to model fractions as division. Similar to yesterday's lesson, we are going to be dividing, for example, 2 divided by 5. The last lesson you took 2 crackers and divided it amongst 5 people. Now we're going to do it with a tape diagram. So we're going to draw a tape diagram. Our tape diagram is going to represent 2 because that's what we're splitting. And we're splitting it 5 times. So we're going to split it into 5 sections. Okay, so our division expression is 2 divided by 5. And when I split 2 divided by 5 sections, my answer is 2 over 5. So the fraction is 2 over 5. It says, between which 2 whole numbers is your answer? Well, 2/5 is a fraction that's more than 0, but it's less than 1. So it's between 0 and 1. The standard algorithm, just like yesterday, I take 2 and I divide it by 5. And 5 can go into 2 0 times. 0 times 5 is 0. I subtract and get 2 left out of 5. So my answer is 2/5. Now, if I had 8 tons of gravel equally divided between 4 dump trucks, how much gravel is in 1 dump truck? So I'm going to draw a tape diagram. I've got to ask myself, what am I splitting? What am I dividing? Am I splitting the 8 tons of gravel, or am I splitting the 4 dump trucks? Well, I'm splitting 8 tons of gravel. I'm going to split it into 4 dump trucks. So that means my tape diagram gets split into 4. So its division expression is 8 divided by 4, and I know that 8 divided by 4 is 2. So each unit is 2. The fraction is 2. Which number, between which 2 whole numbers is your answer? Well, our answer is 2, so it's not really between 2 whole numbers. And the standard algorithm is 8 divided by 4, and 4 goes into 8 2 times. 2 times 4 is 8. So the answer, how much gravel is in 1 dump truck, 2 tons are found in 1 dump truck. Similar question. I have 5 tons of gravel equally divided between 4 dump trucks. How much gravel is in 1 dump truck? Remember, ask yourself, what am I splitting? What am I dividing? The 5 tons of gravel or the 4 dump trucks? I'm splitting the 5 tons of gravel into 4 dump trucks. So I'm going to split this into 4 dump trucks, which makes my division expression 5 divided by 4. And I know that 5 divided by 4 is 5/4. Okay? And I know that 5/4 equals 1 and 1/4 left over, because I could pull 4/4 out of that, and 4/4 plus 1/4 equals 5/4. Between which 2 whole numbers is your answer? So I know it's 1 and 1/4, or 5/4, and I know that's greater than 1, but less than 2. And my standard algorithm is 5 divided by 4. 4 goes into 5 one time. 1 times 4 is 4. I subtract and get 1 left over out of 4. So the answer, how much gravel is in 1 dump truck? 1 and 1/4 tons of gravel in 1 truck. Let's try one more before you try one by yourself. A 3-meter ribbon is cut into 4 equal pieces to make flowers. What is the length of each piece? So again, we're using tape diagrams to show our division today. So we need to ask ourselves, what am I dividing, or what am I splitting? Am I splitting the 3-meter ribbon, or am I splitting the 4 equal pieces? Well, I know I'm going to cut the ribbon. I'm going to split the ribbon. So the ribbon is 3, and I'm going to split it into 4 pieces. Okay, so my division expression is 3 divided by 4. And I know that 3 divided by 4 is 3/4, or 3 over 4. So my fraction is 3/4. Between which 2 whole numbers is your answer? Well, 3/4 is less than 1, but greater than 0. So between 0 and 1. My standard algorithm is 3 divided by 4. 4 goes into 3 0 times. 0 times 4 is 0. I subtract and get 3 left out of 4. So what is the length of each piece? Each piece is 3/4 meters long. Now I would like you to show 14 gallons of water used to completely fill 3 fish tanks. If each tank holds the same amount of water, how many gallons will each tank hold? Remember, your first step should be asking yourself, what am I dividing? What am I splitting? The 14 gallons of water or the 3 fish tanks? After you've shown it in a tape diagram, I'd like you to do the division expression, the fraction between which two whole numbers is your answer, and the standard algorithm, and bring this in and share it with your teacher tomorrow. Thanks for watching.